Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Hotjar for user feedback and app prototypes, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Hotjar for user feedback in your app prototypes, start by navigating to the Hotjar website. Create an account if you haven't already. Log in to your Hotjar dashboard. Once logged in, locate the Sites section. Click on the Add Site button. Enter the URL of your app prototype in the given field. Select the appropriate plan based on your project needs. After adding the site, you will receive a tracking code. Copy this tracking code to your clipboard. Next, go to your app prototype platform. Open the Settings or Configuration menu. Look for an option related to custom scripts or tracking codes. Paste the Hotjar tracking code in the designated area. Save your changes. To verify the installation, return to your Hotjar dashboard. Choose the site you just added. Check the status under the Tracking section. Once it shows active, your Hotjar installation is successful. Start configuring feedback tools like surveys or feedback polls. Design your surveys based on the user insights you wish to gather. Deploy these tools directly on your app prototype. Monitor user interactions through the Hotjar dashboard. Analyze the feedback and adjust your prototypes as needed. Enjoy the improved insights into your user's experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.